So what we understand today is that a 44-year-old man will be appearing in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court facing charges of aiding and abetting a prisoner from escaping from prison, as well as violating a dead corpse. We also understand that Dr. Magudumana, who has also allegedly assisted Thabo Bester from escaping from prison, will also be appearing in the same court, or most likely will be appearing in the same court, as she arrived in the country overnight and is on her way to Bloemfontein. We also know that as of now, she has already passed Kronstadt, which is 2 hours from Bloemfontein. But with me, I'm with legal expert Machini Mutloung, who is going to just briefly take us through some of the charges that the people involved in this case and who are appearing in this court will be facing, and what these charges mean for those individuals. Dr. Machini, just briefly, these people have been charged with various charges. Of course, we saw on Tuesday 2 people appearing. They've been charged with murder. They've been charged with arson in relation to what happened in the prison when Bester escaped. But today we see that one of the people appearing will be facing a charge of violating a corpse. Probably Nandipa will also face a similar charge. What does this mean for these individuals? I know it's early days, but what are the sentences that they're likely to get?
Look, in terms of Section 115 of the Correctional Services Act, which is quite unambiguous in relation to aiding and abetting a prisoner to escape from lawful custody, that one, if you aid, assist or conspire to assist a prisoner from escaping from lawful custody, and upon being found guilty, and in this instance you'll appreciate that the onus is on the state to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt, and on conviction the person who has been convicted may be liable to a fine or to an imprisonment term which will not exceed a period of 10 years. The court may also decide to either impose a fine, or in the alternative, if the fine is not paid, the convicted accused person will serve time in prison, or it can be both. But in essence, if one is convicted of aiding and abetting a prisoner to escape from lawful custody, you will be liable to a fine or a term of imprisonment not exceeding 10 years.
Okay, and then in terms of Thabo Bester himself, we know that he's also back in the country. Will he be coming to the court, or is he just going to be sent back to prison?
Look, the status quo, I think, would remain in terms of he has been serving a sentence. There's no two ways about it, but there is also an offence which has been committed in terms of Section 117 of the Correctional Services Act, which is escaping from lawful custody. The state may, in most likelihood, prefer charges of escaping from lawful custody, and in this instance, much as he may now be taken into correctional services custody, he may have to be also charged and appear in court on those charges that I've alluded to.
Thank you so much, Ntata Machini. Machini Mutloung there explaining to us what are the charges or the sentences that the individuals who have been charged in this matter are likely to face. For now, we are outside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court. We're waiting for the accused persons to come and appear, and we'll update as the day goes. It's back to you in studio.